Carefully peel off both the brown paper and any transparent protective layers from the reinforcement plate, and then just gently put that aside. Next, we need to take the limit switch and just remember to handle the limit switch by the edges. Okay, and then once we've done that, we need to take 2 of the 14mm truss head screws and place each one into the 2 holes. Once you've done that, place the spacers over the ends of the truss head screws, and then you'll notice you've got these 2 holes here, which is just above this area here, and we're going to be placing 2 screws in there like so, and then turn it over and apply 2 nuts and 2 washers to each of the 2 truss screws. Once you've done that, your assembly should look like this, so that the sensor that we've just put on is just above the power, with the 3 prongs on the opposite side facing to the outside. Turn the back plate over, noticing the position, and take the reinforcement plate that we removed the backing paper from earlier and place it over this position here, so that the 4 holes line up and the centre hole here also lines up. Once you've done that, take 4 of the truss screws and place 1 in each corner of the reinforcement plate. Once you've done that, gently turn the unit over and apply the 4 washers and the 4 nuts onto the truss screws and secure into position.